Welcome, everyone is on ASUS ZenPad 3S, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up the settings app, and from here scroll all the way down to backup and reset, and tap on the factory data reset. It'll give you a message what it will remove, so you have your account, system app data, and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So in other words, it basically removes everything that you have put on the device yourself and only keeps the stuff that will come with the device. So once you're ready, you can tap on reset the device on the bottom here, and then before you can continue, we need to put in this random number. So for me it's 5659. Now for you it will be most likely different, it's just randomly generating every time. And then tap on erase everything once you typed in the number, and the process will begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient, but once it's finished we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished. Now you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.